Hello guys, good morning. Let me teach you how to doggy. Hey hey. No, I'm just kidding. Let me teach you how to remove the oil from this container by using this paper towel. This is the effective way to save money from buying sponge all the time because of oil. See that oil? Just wipe it as much as you can and make sure no oil left before putting some dishwashing soap, and then rinse it. Just clean it. It's cheap, right? And very effective. Instead of pouring water, I mean hot water. Try it, guys. You can do this too.